So what do acrylic paints and a heap of sugar lumps have in common? Let's find out. ArtistRebeccaLS, the channel that inspires you every day. Subscribe or I'll throw paint at you. Other ways to support my channel are commenting, liking the video, subscribing, and go watch a playlist or two. So I'm getting some acrylic paint onto my little lid palette, and I've gathered some white sugar cubes and I'm turning them into a canvas, making sure they're all pushed together really firmly. And then I'm going to start painting a vase of flowers. So I'm starting off with the blue, applying it quite thick, and I was thinking I probably should have used a palette knife, but anyway, the paintbrush did work. And I'm moving on to do the flowers now. And this is what it looks like now it's finished. So I've done a vase of flowers. And I'm actually really impressed with how it looks, but guess what? When I was adding paint, not just for blue, but any colour to the white sugar lumps, the white colour of the sugar lump was coming off and turning the blue a pale blue. So there's obviously, like, white paint goes into making a white sugar lump. Can you imagine that when you're putting it in your tea or coffee at a cafe or something? You're putting, like, white goo into your stuff. So definitely only use sugar lumps to paint on and not for ingesting. But I'm really pleased that using sugar lumps as a canvas has come out. It works. Click the 2 videos on screen now, and when you do, you're going to get even more inspiration.